Welcome back to AutoPrime. Abdelhad Shaqfaz here with you. Today we are breaking down a vehicle that might just rewrite the rules of luxury travel. Built from the ground up on Mercedes' brand new dedicated VAN.EA architecture, the VLE delivers S-Class level luxury with the space of an 8-passenger shuttle. We are talking an 800-volt system, over 700 kilometers of range, and an interior that features a massive 31-inch theater screen in the back. Let's dive into why the EV is shaking up the premium market. Dear subscribers, since we've been living about 3 years of miserable conditions, now you can support us with super thanks to improve our content, equipment, and channel community engagement. Thanks indeed. First, let's talk about the design, because Mercedes calls this thing a shapeshifter. It is incredibly boxy to maximize interior space, yet it somehow cuts through the air like a sedan. Thanks to its purpose-built EV platform, the VLE achieves a drag coefficient of just 0.25. That is astonishingly low for a vehicle of this size. Up front, you get the iconic digital light setup with distinct star-shaped daytime running lights and an illuminated chrome grille. Move to the side, and you notice the elongated proportions. We are expected to get the long wheelbase version, stretching over 215 inches in length. Out back, it's clean and minimalist, featuring a striking arc-design taillight integrated right into the aerodynamic rear spoiler lip. Step inside, and the front cabin's pure digital intelligence. The VLE runs the latest MB.OS operating system, powering a massive MB.UX superscreen setup. You've got a 10.25 inches driver display, a 14 inches central infotainment screen, and a dedicated 14-inch display just for the front passenger. The digital experience here is powered by multi-agent generative AI, making voice commands incredibly fluid. You don't just ask to change the temperature anymore. The car reads the room and adapts to user habits over time. But what surprises me the most is how this giant handles. Mercedes has thrown in 7-degree rear axle steering. That gives this massive machine a turning circle of just 10.9 meters. That means parking this in a tight urban garage is going to be easier than parking a standard C-Class. But the real story of the VLE isn't in the driver's seat. It is in the back. This is an absolute sanctuary. Depending on how you configure it, the VLE can seat up to 8 people, but the executive layouts are where things get wild. We are talking grand comfort electronic seat, with unmatched lumbar support, calf extensions, and hot stone massage functions. Look up, and you are treated with a massive sky view panoramic glass roof that floods the cabin with light. And if you want entertainment, just say, "Hey Mercedes, start the cinema experience." The ambient lighting dims, the seats automatically glide into the perfect viewing position, and the spectacular 31.3 inches 8K panoramic theater screen drops down from the ceiling. Pair that with a 22-speaker Burmester 3D surround sound system utilizing Dolby Atmos technology, and you literally have a rolling movie theater. Plus, it has an integrated 8-megapixel camera, so you can seamlessly jump onto a corporate Zoom call or launch a gaming session on the move. To top it all off, the cabin stays perfectly smooth thanks to the standard Aerodynamics air suspension that constantly monitors the road to eliminate bumps, while an air balance system diffuses custom fragrance through the climate control. Now let's talk specs, because a luxury suite is useless if it's constantly stuck at a charger. The VLE relies on a heavy-hitting 115 kWh battery pack built on an ultra-efficient 800-volt architecture. Mercedes' preliminary internal testing points to a driving range of more than 700 kilometers. When it's time to plug in, it supports high-performance DC fast charging up to 300 kilowatt. That means you can add 355 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. The VLE will launch in 2 key setups. VLE 300, a front-wheel drive single-motor variant pushing out 268 horsepower. The second one is the VLE 400 4MATIC, a dual-motor all-wheel drive powerhouse boosting output to 409 horsepower. Mercedes-Benz is making a massive statement with the VLE. By moving away from traditional combustion vans and building a bespoke, ultra-luxury EV architecture, they've created a class of vehicle that doesn't really have a direct rival yet. Production is already fully underway in Spain, and we expect these to officially hit the streets in 2027. But what do you think? Would you drop your premium luxury SUV for an electric grand limousine like this? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the tech deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe to AutoPrime for more automotive tech news, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.